Hello, this is Armenuia Vakimian from FEAS Newsroom. I have an interesting guest, Kahlan Al Naabi. He is a head of Division of Publicity and Dissemination, Information Center Department of Muscat Securities Market. And we are going to speak about the new website that is going to launch soon. And Mr. Al Naabi will give us an interesting overview about the new features the new website will have. So, Mr. Naabi, thank you for accepting our invitation to talk. And going directly to the question, how you decided to change the website, as you had a really good one with a really nice user-friendly interface, and I love your previous website. And what was the indicator that you decided to change into a new one?
Thanks for the invitation. And our benchmark is inspired from Muscat Securities Market vision, which is moving ahead with times toward efficiency. So we are always trying to see what the investors and the users are looking for in terms of data and information. So in this way we are always moving ahead, which is we are let's say we have racing with the times to make everything available for the investors.
So you're coming from the need and demand of the investors and from the public. But have you done any comparative analysis for making a new website?
Yeah, actually, a lot of data gathering and analysis were taken into place. Besides that, we always doing a lot of brainstorms with our top management as well to search what the investors are looking for, and also how to make our website unique in terms of data available for the investors and the interested party who are willing to invest in Muscat Securities Market.
Can you mention some specific areas, some specifications that the new website will have, and to outline the main directions of change?
Hopefully, when we will launch the new website, there will be a lot of change. For example, we do have already advanced market watch in the current website, but however we will launch more advanced market watch for the investors. Besides that, we do have a lot of data will be showing to the investors for maybe, let's say, for the first time in our website.
Oh, thanks. And you have a user registration feature on your website.
Yeah.
Will this continue this feature, and what additional information will be visible for logged-in users?
Yeah, the features will still the same, so the investors can see the live data instead of delayed data by 15 minutes. And the other features, when the users log in, they can create their own portfolio, so they can track the performance of the instrument they want to watch, and so they can track their portfolio if they are having gain or lose on this portfolio in individual manner and in as a total for all their investment. Besides that, we do have the users alerts. For example, if the investors want to track X company, if the price going up or down or as equal to some specific value, an alert will be sending to the investors through either by email or by SMS.
So it is better for user to be logged in user and to register and to log in to get more information on data.
Yeah, it is better for the investors to log in because the data will be live. So in case of investments in securities market, you need to have real time data, so you can take your decision quickly and fast.
And this is for free?
Yeah, it is for free, no charge on it.
Okay. Is there any application besides the website?
Yeah, actually, Muscat Securities Market was among the first GCC exchange to launch mobile application for the exchange. In 2014, we have launched our mobile application for MSM in both Android and Apple. And in 2016, we have upgraded the mobile application so more data and information and styles are available in the mobile application. So the investors can have a view to the financial result for the companies and their financial ratio. Besides that, there is chart styles and indicators where the investors can play with them.
Interesting. And let's look for some statistics about what is the number of average visitors and what pages are more active for the visitors.
The statistics for 2017 showing a number of more than 160,000 users during the 2017. It was around 400 average per day, and also most of them are new users. They are visiting the website, let's say for the first time.
Mm-hmm.
Among this, the most important page the investors looking for is the home page, because it is contains a lot of data of overall the performance of the Muscat securities market in terms of decisions and events, disclosure of the companies, the market data itself. And the second page, it is the market watch itself, because it is the main, let's say, the main important for the investors to look for the data, the company's performance. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you for the talk.
Thank you,
you.
and appreciate it.
Thank you.